Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're bringing you the ultimate travel essential, the best anti-theft USB charging 30L travel backpack. If you're someone who travels frequently, commutes daily, or simply wants to keep your tech safe and secure, then the Tzowla 35-liter anti-theft laptop backpack is the perfect companion. Stay tuned as we take you through the design, security, features, and everything else you need to know about this powerful backpack. Let's start with the design. The Tzowla backpack features a sleek, minimalist look, available in multiple colors with this version shown in classic black. Built using high-quality waterproof 300D outer nylon, it provides durability, sturdiness, and weather protection in one solid package. The backpack measures 20 by 11.8 by 5.5 inches, making it perfect for a compact yet spacious travel experience. The padded shoulder straps add comfort during long hours of wear, and it's structured in a way that doesn't slump or deform even when full. Security is where this backpack truly shines. It includes a built-in digital security lock that protects your belongings from unwanted access. It also features a side spring rope cleverly hidden in the right pocket, allowing you to fasten your bag to a secure object. Ideal for cafes, co-working spaces, or public transit. Double security hooks further reinforce safety, and the built-in RFID safe compartment protects your cards from digital theft. These thoughtful layers of security ensure your gear is safe, whether you're traveling abroad or commuting through a busy city. Moving on to storage, the Tzowla backpack has a large capacity of 35 liters with a smart compartmentalized layout. The main compartment comfortably fits laptops up to 15.6 inches, and there's a separate padded section to keep it secure. The front compartment includes multiple interior pockets, ideal for organizing cables, stationery, and gadgets, plus a handy key hook so you don't have to dig around. There's a dedicated space for everything, making it easy to stay neat and efficient on the go. Now here's a feature that stands out: the built-in USB charging port and headphone port. The backpack includes an internal cable that you can plug into your own power bank, allowing you to connect your phone to the external USB port and charge while you walk. No more fumbling through your bag just to power up your devices. And for those who prefer wired headphones, the dedicated headphone port gives easy access to your audio without needing to unzip anything. Whether you're a student, a business traveler, or an everyday commuter, this backpack is designed to be versatile. The unisex style makes it ideal for men and women alike, and it's suited for individuals aged 15 and up. You can carry it to the office, on a weekend trip, or even as your personal item on a flight. The combination of sleek aesthetics, rugged build, and smart tech features makes it a solid all-rounder. To wrap it all up, the Tzowla 35-liter anti-theft USB charging backpack packs a serious punch when it comes to functionality, style, and security. It's more than just a backpack, it's a mobile command center for modern professionals and travelers. If you're looking for safety, organization, and tech convenience in one sleek design, this is the one to get. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more product insights like this. See you in the next one.